global investigation has revealed the offshore financial assets of dozens of current and former world leaders. Collectively, these assets, which include exclusive beachfront property, mansions, and so on, are worth trillions of dollars. The investigation of financial records, known as the Pandora Papers, involved 600 journalists from 150 media outlets in 117 countries. The International Consortium of Investigative Journalists obtained 11.9 million confidential documents from 14 separate legal and financial services firms. Over 2 terabytes of financial and legal data was obtained, which makes this leak larger than the 2016 Panama Papers release. Here are some of the biggest revelations in the release. The investigation found that advisors have helped King Abdullah II of Jordan set up at least 3 dozen shell companies from 1995 to 2017. This has helped the monarch buy 14 homes worth more than $106 million. The allegations come as Abdullah seeks international aid to pull his impoverished country out of recession. Jordan is seen as a stable nation, but it relies on billions of foreign aid. In 2009, Andrej Babis, the Czech Prime Minister, put $22 million into shell companies to buy a chateau property of the French Riviera. The shell companies and the chateau were not disclosed in Babis's required asset declarations, the paper has confirmed. Babis, who is currently running for re-election, has denied these claims. Several members of Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan's inner circle secretly own an array of companies and trusts holding millions of dollars of hidden wealth. This includes his current and former cabinet ministers. The mention of these people in the Pandora Papers could create a political headache for the former cricket star as he campaigned for the South Asian country's highest office while putting forth a strong anti-corruption agenda. Former UK Prime Minister Tony Blair and his wife had bought an offshore company to save tax to buy their London office, which costs $8.8 million. The buying of the company saved the Blairs more than $400,000 in property tax. The other names mentioned in the paper include Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta, Congo President Denis Sassou, Gabon's Ali Bongo, Colombian singer Shakira, German supermodel Claudia Schiffer, and the Indian cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar. Representatives of many of these people suggest that their investments were legitimate and that there was nothing illegal about them. However, it highlights a loophole that has enabled wealthy property owners not to pay a tax that is a commonplace for ordinary citizens. The report has also brought promises of tax reform and demands for resignations and investigations, as well as explanations and denials from those targeted.